I mean, it's just amazing. I never thought that I would be asked to do something like this, and I just have to pinch myself really, because my family all from South Bank in Middlesbrough, and I just wish they were here to see me now. I love Teesside University, and I have done for a long time. I think that what Teesside does is unique. You know, we give over 20,000 students that real start in their lives. We take them on a journey. It's an opportunity university. It's somewhere where people can come, they can take the first steps in their career. They can be builders of things, they can be animators, they can be midwives, and we say to them, you know, we need you. People don't realise what's here on the doorstep, what opportunities there are, and the amazing things that are happening in this place. You've also got the over, I think it's £220 million that go back into the local community each year from the work that's done here. You've got the research that's going on, looking at some of the challenges that are facing the entire planet with energy and net zero. Part of my role is going to be making sure that the world sees what's going on here in Middlesbrough. I'm going to be the loudest cheerleader that you could possibly be for this place.